Hey guys, what's up? Just got this new piece. It's it's from Smoke Day. It's a 2.5, and haven't used it yet. Brand new. Gonna probably use it tonight. It's a cog right there. So it's whatever, man. It's pretty rad. So yeah. That's all I got. Oh yeah, and I also got this new grinder. Get it real quick. It's right underneath this hiding hole that I got. It's right by my dresser. I got this new grinder too. It's like almost the same size. See? 2.5 inches. Pretty small. It's a marble fritter. It's got blue, white right there. It's a, I don't know really how to explain it. We got this new grinder. Let me do some close-up real quick. Here's the top of the grinder. It's kind of dirty though. So, yeah, if y'all want, like, some real nice grind up, this is like $12. Got it on clearance though. So, yeah, here's it all lined up. Keef catcher. That's where your weed goes. You put your weed gets down here. The keef goes down here into the keef catcher. This is where you put your nugs on. This is what you put on top of it. There's a little magnet right there. Ain't that strong. So, let me put it together. Okay guys, got it all together. And there it is. It looks like just a little can. It ain't that big. Here. This is it compared to a regular drawer. It ain't even that big. So, what I do, let me grab my little flashlight. This kind of helps to explain things. So, I put it right down in here. So, right in this corner. I get it, and I stash it right there in the corner. See? It's just metal, aluminum. Okay, with this though, I put it in my little sack. Put it in, close it up. Just slide it underneath. Now, boom, no one knows, you can't even tell the difference if it's in there or not. You can kind of tell that. But if you're not looking for it, you won't be able to find it. So, yeah, it's kind of nice. It's got a little Vans backpack. Hashtag sponsor me. Well, not really sponsor me. Just, yeah. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to. So, see you guys.